In this video, I want to show you the dimensions and the design features of Big Red, which is our first chicken coop design that we had for out here on the homestead. Our platform is a 4-foot by 6-foot dimension that we used as the floor of our chicken coop. The flooring of our chicken coop was built just like a miniature deck. In fact, we used upcycled scrap decking material to actually build the flooring of Big Red. I got the 3-foot by 8-foot corrugated metal sheets, and I didn't have to make any cuts. I just overlapped them to fit, and we had a 1-foot drip edge all the way around Big Red. In order to accommodate the runoff from the rain and the snow, we decided to have a 5-foot high side and a 3.5-foot low side for our 2 walls. Our 3.5-foot side was where we were going to have our nesting boxes, and if you look inside, you'll be able to see that we had some separated cells for our chickens to lay their eggs in. Our doors for our nest boxes were 2.5 feet wide by about 18 inches tall. We also had a roof for our nesting boxes, and that was to make sure that the chickens didn't poop all over our eggs when they went to go to their roost at night. We added a design feature of the roosting sticks, and we tried to incorporate that into the high side of our chicken coop. This allowed the birds to get up off of the ground at night and also use that 3-dimensional volume to maximize how many birds we could have inside. I also made sure to have a swivel lock just out of a piece of treated wood that we got. Again, it was scrap. That swivel lock, in addition to those metallic locks, gave us peace of mind in knowing that we wouldn't be outsmarted by a raccoon. Our door also has 3 swivel locks, and again, these are just pieces of wood that we would spin in order to lock the door tight. The door for our chicken coop needed to be big enough that I could crawl inside in case I needed to do some maintenance, or for my son, who was old enough to start helping with the chores, to crawl inside and pretend he was a chicken. We have what we call Fort Cluck, and we upgraded our run because when we brought our old design out here into the country, we found that the predators were built different. It was also really nice to have a door for the chickens, that you had a manual door to lift or drop down as needed. Our runs were 6 feet wide by 6 feet tall and about 24 feet long. What we did is we staked our T-post down, and then we put hog paneling over the top, wired that in, and covered the rest with poultry netting. We also made sure that we wanted to enclose every square inch of this coop, and so even the ventilation underneath the high side and the low side of our chicken coop had hardware cloth inside. We had Big Red up on blocks, gave them some dry dirt so they had a dusting bath area, and if it was ever raining, you'd either find the chickens in the coop or under the coop. Thank you all for watching the Big Red tour. I hope you found this informative and you found some of these design features beneficial when you plan your chicken coop.